Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will show you how to fix can't add card on iPhone in iOS 16. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So guys, first of all, make sure that Apple Pay is currently available in your country. So go to Safari browser to check the status. Search Apple Pay status in search bar. Now many website will appear on your screen. Click on this website and then click on all services are operating normally. Now find Apple Pay and wallet in this list here. So guys, you can see that Apple Pay and wallet service is available here. If you don't get available here, then there is an issue in Apple Pay and wallet. For now, please wait until it is available. Method 2. Delete the VPN from your iOS device. If you have Apple Pay and wallet service activated but the card is not adding, you should delete the VPN. Go to Settings app to delete VPN. Now swipe down and tap General. Next, find and tap on VPN and Device Management under the General. Tap on VPN at the top and then tap on eye icon next to your VPN name. Now tap delete VPN and tap delete to confirm. Method 3. Change your language and region. For that, open Settings app on your iOS device. On the Settings menu, swipe down to see General and tap on it. Now swipe down and tap on Language and Region. Here tap Region. Now scroll down to find your country and tap on it. That's it. Like and share this video with your friends. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video.